Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If you want to hide apps on your iPhone 17 for privacy or a cleaner home screen, this video will show you the best way to do it. On newer versions of iOS, users have the ability to hide apps from the home screen. iOS not only allows users to hide the apps from the home screen, but also places them in a hidden folder, which can only be accessed with a Face ID scan. Hiding apps from the home screen and requiring Face ID to access them is super easy. Here's how you can do it. First of all, find the app's icon that you wish to hide on the home screen. After locating the icon, long press on it to access its menu. From the list of options, tap on the required Face ID option. This will bring a pop-up menu. From this menu, tap on the Hide and Require Face ID option. Selecting this will remove the app's icon from the home screen and place it into a special hidden folder that can only be accessed after a Face ID scan. As you can see, the icon has now disappeared from the home screen. Now to use the app, you have to perform a few extra steps. Start by accessing the app library screen that is located on the rightmost page of the home screen. Here, scroll all the way down and then tap on the hidden folder. Authenticate with a Face ID scan, after which you will be able to access all your hidden apps. To unhide the app that you have previously hidden, simply access the hidden apps folder and long press on the app's icon. Then tap on Don't Require Face ID option. Remember, hidden apps do not appear in Spotlight search and the list of installed apps on iPhone storage section of the Settings app. The app that has been hidden will also stop sending you notifications. So don't forget to check the app from time to time to avoid missing on important alerts. And that's how you hide apps on iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.